the 1890s were a period of dress reform. The bustle era, which was from 1870 to 1890, those dresses got very narrow, and there was only something like a range of motion of 5 inches in the bustle dresses. So in the 1890s, they widened the hem. They widened the hem. We had a new woman. And to do that, they put a big band of velvet inside the bottom of the skirt so that it would keep the skirt away from the ankles, away from the ankles. And what happened to the bustle? Oh dear. Well, the bustle reached its grandest proportion in 1885. And by 1890, it was really like a little pancake. So she might have had a little pancake of a bustle back there.